Hi, welcome to Mr. Eggy's channel. Like today I have with me Reebok DMX Run 10. This shoes is very nice. Well built, well put together. It's really sick. Let's get into this. These shoes, bottom is rubber bottoms. So it's like the midsole feel very soft in the hands. The perforated right here is for the shoes to breathe. Reebok, the side of the tongue. I like the whole system of the lace, the strap right here, like it goes through the loops of the straps. I got a Reebok branding right here, one at the back. Shoes is built well. The upper is like all mesh, is wrapped all the way around. Wraps all the way around. And we have a reflective material right here on the side of the toe. Pull tab at the back, another pull tab on the tongue. Nice shoes. Can never go wrong with these shoes, man. Reebok DMX Run 10. Really nice.